Oh, what a save!
Wow! No!
Oh, a big moment on the rear for Joan Mir.
Oh, wow. He did well to hang on to that, didn't he? Oh, his boot came undone as well. Wow-wee.
That was a 7.5.
Oh, here we go. Nice slow-mo shot as well. Speedway style. Whack.
Look at the angle there.
Wow-wee. Oh, wow, and his foot peg, like, burst open his boot. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Wow, he was down. What a save.
Look at this. I mean, that's a crash right there. He somehow catapults his body from his elbow immediately up there. And yeah, you deserve a pat in the head for that one, Xavi.
Wow, what a save! Superman from Marc Marquez. He looked like he was going over the front, and somehow he stays on. Gives the guy a Kate. Absolutely brilliant. Wow. Luca Marini got a front row seat for this. Watch this. Rear tire's going to spin up. There you go. On the gas. Whoa, Marc Marquez. Chest on the screen. There you go. Ouch. Oh, what a shot that is.
Fantastic shot.
What a shot. Oh, a big moment on the rear. Hard rear tyre for Joan Mir. He's done well to stay sunny side up on that factory Suzuki. Yeah, that let go. And look at the black line that's left there. Oh, that's grabbed his attention, no question. Big black line left by that hard rear tyre, just letting loose underneath the world champion.
Shinichi Sahara getting his notebook out, and there's a few notes to take at the moment ahead of qualifying coming up later.
Oh, wow. No way. Oh,
Wow.
my goodness me. Wow. Oh, my goodness. That is extraordinary. He's into pit lane as well. Goodness me. Oh, Bo Bensnader, take a bow.
Impressive stuff that from Bob Bensnader, and you can see best thing about it was the clear visor the whole way through.
Eyes on absolute stalks, aren't they?